वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Good evening, everyone. Nidardani, can you recite?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, recite. First 3 sloka. Om
Om
Shri
Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Dvadasyayah. Arjuna Uvacha. Evam Satata-yuktaye. Bhaktasvam paripasate. Eshaapyaksharamau vyaktam. Tesham te yohartamaha.
Excellent. Second one. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Priyaveşamanoyemam nityayukta upasate shraddhaya parayopetaha teme yuktatamamataha.
Excellent. Ye tvakshara
Anirdirtam avyaktam parupasate sarvatpakamachintam cha bhutastamachalam dhruvam.
Excellent. Yes. Fourth one, Saisha. Excellent recitation, Nidardani.
संनियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः.
Excellent. Yes, Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Kleshodhikata
Kleshodhikata
rastesham
rastesham
avyakta
avyakta
saktachetasam
saktachetasam
avyaktahi
avyaktahi
gatirdukham
gatirdukham
dehavadbhira
ekhavadvira
vapyate.
vapyate.
Excellent. Saisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Teshamaham
Teshamaham
samudharta
amuddasta
mrityu samsara.
mrityu samsara sagarat
Excellent. Bhavamicha
bhavamicha
nachirat partha
achirat partha
maya veshita chetasam.
maya veshyata chetasam.
Excellent. Saisha.
Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः.
Uttamam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Atha chittam
Ata chittam
samadhatum
samadhatum
na shaknoshi
na shaknosi
mayi sthiram
mahi stiram
abhyasa yogena tato.
avyasayokena tato.
Excellent. Mamichhaptum
Mamichtatum
dhananjaya
dhananjaya Sanjaya.
अति उत्तमम. Yes, Saisha, welcome.
Yes, ma'am. अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्मः परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि
Waps.
वाप्स्यसि.
उत्तमम. Yes. निदर्दनी, welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
अथैतदप्य
हैतदप्य
शक्तोऽसि
शक्तोषि
कर्तुम् मद्योग
कर्तुं मद्योः
माश्रितः
आश्रितः
सर्वकर्म
सर्वकर्म
फलत्यागम्
त्यागं
ततः कुरु
ततः कुरु
यतात्मवान्.
यथात्मवान्.
उत्तमम्. साईशा.
Yes, sir. श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागात् त्यागाश्चान्तिरनन्तरम्
त्यागः is there, no? So we have
ध्यानात्
to cut.
कर्मफलत्यागः
Complete.
त्यागाश्चान्तिरनन्तरम्.
उत्तमम्.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. निदर्दनी.
Yes, ma'am.
अद्वेष्टा
अद्वेष्टा
सर्वभूतानां
सर्वभूतानां
मैत्रः करुण
मैत्रः करुण
एव च
एव च
निर्ममो
निर्ममो
निरहङ्कारः कारः
कारः
yes समदुःख
समदुःख
सुखः क्षमी.
सुखक्षमी.
उत्तम. Yes, Saisha, recite 13th.
13th, okay.
Yes.
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःख सुखः क्षमी.
Uttamam. Excellent. 14th. Read.
सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
Uttamam. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yasman
Yes, ma'am.
नोद्विजते
नोद्विजते
लोको
लोको
लोकान्
लोकान्
नोद्विजते
नोद्विजते
चयः
क्षयः
हर्षा
हर्षा
मर्ष
मर्ष
भयोद्वेगैः
भयोद्वेगैः
भयोवेगैः.
भयोद्वेगैः
उत्तमम्. मुक्तो
मुक्तो
यः स च
यस्य च
मे प्रियः.
मे प्रियः.
उत्तमम्. Yes, Saisha.
Yes, ma'am. 16th one, right?
Yes.
अनपेक्षः शुचिदक्ष उदासीनो गतव्यतः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
मे प्रियः ip sound. Okay. Write it P.
Same Priyaha.
Yes, whenever pra is coming, so write it P here. So it will be easy to recite. Okay, it will be combined because there is independent vowel of sa, me, or independent. We have to combine with other words, prefix or suffix. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Yes, we will
Yes,
go to 17th one. Nidardani.
Ma'am.
Yona
Ona
Hrishyati
Krishyati
Nadveshti
Nadveshti
Nashochati
Nasochatina
Kankshati
Akshati
Shubha
Subha
Shubha
Subha
Parityagi
Paladyahi
Bhaktiman
Bhaktimam
Man. It is not mom. Bhaktiman.
Bhaktimam
Yes. Yes, Sacha. Yes, Sami.
Yasami
Priyaha.
Nepriyaha
Uttamam. Yes, Aisha. Can you try?
The same shloka. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yo na hishyati na dveshti na shochati na kankshati shubha shubha parityagi bhaktiman yah same priyaha.
No, yes. That visarga should be recited as a is sound.
Yah same priyaha.
Yes, me priyaha. Okay.
Okay.
That
Yah
means
same priyaha.
correct. Write it yes. Okay. That visarga should be recited as a yes sound. Write it yes in English.
Between yah and sir.
So,
Yes.
yes. That visarga should be recited as yes sound. Okay. Yes. We should not recite the visarga. Okay. Yes. Got it now? Clear? Yeah. Okay. We will go to next sloka. Samash Shatraucha Mitrecha. Up to here first pada. Okay. Tatha Manapa Manayoho. This is second pada. Shitoshna Sukha Duhkeshu. Up to here third pada. Samas Sanga Vivarjitaha. Up to here fourth pada. Now this visarga followed by sha. Ish sound. SH. Okay. So samash. Like that we have to recite. Okay. Then this tha should be recited in the second pada. The tha is second tha. It should be recited with more stress. Then manapa, put one comma. Then manayoho. That visarga should be o sound. Because yo is coming, so that visarga should be recited as a o sound. Okay. Then shitoshna, put one comma. Then sukha, put one comma. Then duhkeshu. That visarga should be recited as a h sound. Ih sound will come. Whenever we are reciting this dukkha, it is not dukkha. It is dukkha. That ka is second ka. It should be recited with more stress. Then visarga, fourth pada, visarga followed by sa. Again is sound. Write it only yes. So samasanga. Okay, like that it has to come. Yes, is it clear? Yes. We will see the recitation. Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Tamash.
Tamash
Shatraucha.
Shaktaucha
Mitrecha.
Pitrecha
Tatha.
Ha
Manapa.
Manapa
Manayoho.
Manayoho
Shitoshna.
Vishnushna
Shitoshna.
Shitoshna
Correct. Sukha.
Dukkha.
Dukkeshu.
Dukkeshu.
Samas.
Samas.
Sanga.
Sangha.
Vivarjitaha.
Vivarjitaha.
Uttamam.
Yes, ma'am.
Saisha, welcome.
समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समः सङ्गविवर्जितः.
Yes, samas. There is no stress. Okay, normal.
समः
Yes, complete.
सङ्गविवर्जितः.
Uttamam.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yes, we will go to next sloka. Tulya, Nindas, Tutir, Mauni. Up to here, first pada. Santushto, Yena, Kena, Chit. Chit or Chit. We can recite as it is. Okay. So up to here, second pada. Aniketas, Sthira, Matihi. Okay, here Matir, it should be there. So you have to cut the ear, put the visarga. So Matihi. Like that, it is a third pada. Then Bhaktiman me Priyo Naraha. Up to here, fourth pada. Now we will see how the comma will come. Tulya, put one comma. Nindas, put one comma. Then Tutir, comma, Mauni. So it will be easy to recite. Then Santushto Yena Kenachit. It is normal. Now in the second line, third pada, Visarga followed by Sa. Okay, is coming. So we have to put extra is here. That Visarga should be recited as a is sound. So write it yes in English. So how we will recite? Aniketas. Like that. Okay. Then Sthira. Extra is will come. Okay. Sthira Matihi. Up to here, third pada. Then that bha, it should be recited with little bit stress because it is the fourth bha. Bhaktiman, mon, up to mon, put one comma. Me priyo. So here pra is coming. So that me should be combined with the priyo. Me priyo naraha. Like that it has to recite. Okay. We will see the recitation part. Nidardani. Tulya.
Tulya.
Nindas.
Indas.
Tutir.
Putir.
Mauni.
Mauni.
Santushto.
Santushto.
Yena.
Yena.
Kenachit.
Kenachit.
Correct. Aniketas.
Aniketas.
Sthira.
Tira.
Matihi.
Patihi.
Bhaktiman.
Bhaktiman.
Me priyo.
Nepriyo.
Naraha. Naraha. Uttamam. Yes, Aisha.
तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
Uttamam. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, we will go to next one. Yetu dharma mritamidam. Up to here, first pada. Yathoktam paryupasate. Up to here, second pada. Shraddha dhana matparama. Up to here, third pada. Bhaktas tetiva me priyaha. Up to here, fourth pada. Now, this first pada dharma. Okay, that dha should be recited little bit stress. Mrita midam. Up to here, first pada. Then in the second pada, the stha. Yathoktam. The tha, it is second tha, it should be recited with remote stress. The tha should be clear pronunciation. Then Shraddha Dhana, the dha should be in the fourth dha, it should be recited little bit stress. Then Parama, up to here, third pada. Then this bha should be recited as it is. So we have to recite with little bit stress. Then Me Priyaha, that May should be combined with Priya. Okay, so write it one P extra, so that it will be easy to recite with combined. We will see the recitation. Nidardani.
Ma'am.
Yetu
Ketu.
dharma
Dharma.
mritamidam
Niritamidam.
yathoktam
Yathokam.
paryupasate
Paryupasate.
shraddhadhana
Shraddhadanam.
matparama
Parama.
bhakta
Bhakta.
tetiva
Tetiva.
me priyaha.
Priyaha.
Uttama. Yes, Aisha,
Yes, ma'am.
can you try?
Yetu. Yes, ma'am. Yetu dharmyamritanidam.
It is not
Yathok-
Dharnya is there. Yeah, yes, Dharnya.
Dharmya.
Yes, correct. Here printing
Yetu
mistake.
Yetu dharmyamritamidam. Yathoktam paryupasate. Shraddhadhana matparama. Bhaktastetiva me priyaha.
Priyaha.
Me priyaha.
Yeah. That is Dirgha is there. Correct?
Yes.
In your textbook, Dirgha is there, no?
Yes, ma'am. These are
Yes, the long vowel. Then here, Shraddha. Shraddha is normal only. Only Dhana we should stress. Come again with second.
Shraddhadhana matparama.
Complete.
Bhaktastetiva me priyaha.
Priyaha.
Me priyaha.
Correct. Okay. Got it, no? Yes. Okay. We will go to next one. We have to complete. Okay. So in your textbook, what it is, I don't know, but you have to follow this one. Okay. Om. Okay. Tatsa. Tatsa. Diti. Okay. Then Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu. Then Upanishatsu. Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna. Not you have to split Krishna Arjuna, you should not split. As it is, you have to read. Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Bhakti Yogo Nama Dvadasho Dhyayaha. Like that we have to finish. Okay, in your textbook, if it is not there, okay, so don't, you have to write, Saisha. Okay, you have to write this part. Okay, yes. We will see the recitation now. Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Om
Om
Tatsa
Tatsa
Diti
Diti
Srimad
Srimad
Bhagavad
Bhagavad
Gitasu
Gitasu
Upanishatsu
Upanishatsu
Nishatsu.
Nishatsu
Very good. Brahma Vidyayam
Brahma
Vidyayam.
Vidyayam
Correct. Yoga Shastre
योगमास्ते
योगशास्त्रे.
योगशास्त्रे
Yes. Shri Krishnarjuna.
श्रीकृष्णानुजन
Shri Krishnarjuna.
श्रीकृष्णानुजन
Krishnar
कृष्णा
Juna
गुण
Samvade
संवादे
Bhakti Yogo
भक्तियोः
Nama
नाम
Dvadasho
द्वादशो
Dhyayaha.
अध्यायः
Excellent. Saisha,
Yes, ma'am.
can you try?
हरि ओम तत्सत्
No.
इति श्री
एक निमिषम. Hari Om. Why Hari Om? Om only.
But ma'am, I have Hari Om in my
No. You
textbook.
have to correct. Okay, this one we have to follow. Here not Hari.
Om
Hmm.
Om तत्सत् इति
Hmm.
श्रीमद् भगवद गीतासु उपनिषत्सु
Hmm.
ब्रह्म विद्यायां
Hmm.
योगशास्त्रे
Hmm.
श्री कृष्णार्जुन संवादे
Hmm.
भक्ति योगो नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः
Bhakti Yogo. You have to lengthy. You have to take.
भक्ति योगो
Nama.
नाम
Yes, there is a meter to recite. Okay. Yeah. Anushtup. Okay. That is Anushtup Chandas. Okay. That meter should be there. So Bhakti Yogo Nama, like that. Come again. You are in mute.
भक्ति योगो नाम
Then complete.
द्वादशोऽध्यायः
Yes. Okay. So here Om Tatsati. You are following Giri trading book, correct? I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's what you are telling. Om Tatsati. Tatsati means it is a continuity. Okay, that we should not, we have to continue, no? So we should not recite that. Om Tatsaditi. Okay, so Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su. It is not Su. Okay, it will be in lengthy one. Okay, it is Su only. Upanishad Su. Like that, short we have to complete. Okay, then Brahma Vidya Yam. Okay, it is a Brahma Vidya. It is a science, eternal science. Okay, it is the Upanishad's essence we are drinking. Okay, so that's what it is, the meaning says. Okay, and it is a conversation between Krishna and Arjuna. Samvade means conversation. So which is, what is the conversation about? It is a bhakti yoga. Okay, it is a devotion. How we will devote ourselves to Lord Krishna. That is the bhakti yoga. Nama. So we are reciting this bhakti yoga nama called Dwadasha. Dwadasha means, Dasha means 10. Dva means 2. So 12th chapter. Dhyaya Adhyaya. Adhyaya means chapter. So 12th chapter we are reciting. Got it, Saisha? Yes. We will quickly revise that 17th from 17th. Yes?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, recite 17th one.
यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान् यः स मे प्रियः.
Uttamam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. Yes, Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Samash.
Samash.
Shatraucha.
Shatraucha.
Mitrecha.
Idrecha.
Tatha manapa.
Tata manapa.
Manayoho. शीतोष्ण
शीतोष्ण
सुख दुःखेषु
सुख दुःखेषु
समसंग
समसंग
विवर्जितः.
विवर्जितः.
Excellent. Yes, Aisha.
Okay. तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरं मतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
Uttamam. Tulya ninda. The dha lengthy. Okay, dirgha.
तुल्यनिन्दा
Then stuthir like that. Take.
स्तुतिर्मौनी.
Yes. Okay, recite that first pada again.
तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी.
Uttamam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Nidhardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Ye tu
Ketu
dharmya
Dharmya
mritamidam
Vitamidam
yathoktam
Yathoktam
paryupasate
Paryupasate
shraddhadhana
Dadana
matparama
Matparama
bhaktas
Bhaktas
tetiva
Ebiva
me priyaha.
Mepriyaha.
Uttamam. Yes, Aisha.
The same sloka.
Yes, 20.
ये तु धर्म्यामृतं नीदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धाना मत्परमा भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः.
Yes, Uttamam. Mritamidam. It is not mritha. Mritha.
ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदं
Correct. Mritamidam. Like that. Okay. Yes.
मितमिदं.
Uttamam. Continue. Finish.
ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः.
Uttamam. Okay, only first line. It is a changes of rhythm. Okay. Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade. Okay. That rhythm of the first two line. Okay. Just practice.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. I will complete with the Shanti Mantram. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.